Grandpa, you're going to sit in the back. And Ammy's driving. Ammy's driving the car. You want to shut the door? There we go. And here comes Grandma. I'm going to sit up here.
Okay.
Ammy's going to drive. Okay, Grandpa, you all set back there?
I got closed doors.
Okay. There it goes.
There we go.
Is that door?
This door? Okay, here we go. Yep. Here we go. All right, look at us. Okay, she's going to start driving. Where's the key go?
Right here.
She got it. Oh, Lord.
Wow.
Good job.
Now wait.
Oh, she's driving. All right, here we go. Oh, we have the music going. All right. Oh, she's driving. Look at her. She's driving the car. Spin it through.
Hang it up and see what tomorrow brings.
Oh, look who's coming. Look who's coming. Who's that? Who's coming down the driveway? Who's that out there? Do you see who's coming? Who is that? Is that Dada? Yay! Yay! Oh, she honked.